What's up, guys? So today in this video what we're going to talk about is USB hubs, what it is, why you might need one, and some issues that you might run across with them, because I've run into a couple of issues, but let's get into it. So this is the USB hub that I got. It was like $20 off of Amazon. It's 3 USB 3.0 plugs, and then here it's got a LAN plug. Now, the reason I got this is my new laptop only has 2 USBs on it. So, like for example, when I'm streaming video games, I want to be able to use my microphone, which I have to plug into my audio card, and then that audio card goes into the USB, right? And also with my video capture card, I have to plug that in the Elgato into a USB directly. Because I went on their website, and it said that you can use one of these and it will allow the Elgato capture card to power on, so you'll be able to see the output on your TV, and you might see like a picture on your like Streamlabs OBS Studio, but you won't be able to capture video. It has to be directly in the port because it requires a lot of power. Now the same thing with my audio card. It's an older audio card, but still it requires a lot of power. So what happened when I would put this into when I would plug this in and when I would put my USB into it for like the Elgato, like it would turn it on, but it wouldn't capture the video. So they were 100% right on that. Then when I put in my mic in here, like through the sound card, it doesn't go like, like when the mic's on, it has the waves and stuff. This would be like a wave and then it will freeze for 5 seconds and then a wave. Like it wasn't working at all how it's supposed to work. So I'm gonna let you know there's some limitations with these. Like the reason I bought it is because I want to be able to use those 2 devices and I wanted to use my webcam. Now I can't use my webcam. The only one I can use, I guess, is the one that's installed on the laptop, and that's trash, right? So I'm sure there's other devices. They probably cost more, but that might be able to handle the power. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing there is, at least for audio cards and stuff like that. I don't know about the capture card, but I just wanted to share that with you because right now I went back to using my old laptop. My old laptop has 3 USB inputs, so I'm able to put in, like my USB for my audio card in one, my USB for the Elgato for one, and my USB for the webcam. All right. But I mean, if you're just buying this to like plug in your phone or something, or like plug in a USB and transfer files because you're using the other ones, then this kind of thing should be fine. I haven't really tried the LAN portion, so I can't comment on that. But that should work for like simple USB plug and play objects, right? If it's something that requires a lot of power, this one probably won't help you out. If you know if there's any USB ones that do work, let me know in the comments. And yeah, so that's what a USB adapter is, what it's used for, and some of the problems you might run into it. Let me know what you guys think, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right?